Let's look at final exam question number 20 in Electronics Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 420 and look at the bottom of the page at figure exam-3, which I have reproduced here. You might also like to watch the video that explains the answer to the previous question number 19, because this one is just about the same as that one, except a mirror image, maybe you might say. We have in the figure exam-3, a rendition of the complex impedance half plane. Impedance is the mathematical combination of reactance, which is plotted on the vertical axis as imaginary number quantities, and resistance, which is plotted on the horizontal axis only in one direction, going to the right positively, as real number values. We're being asked here what this vector Q represents. Well, remember that negative reactances are capacitive and positive reactances, or positive imaginary reactances, are inductive. So what we have here is a combination of a certain amount of resistance and a certain amount of capacitive reactance, and that is choice D, a certain amount of capacitive reactance combined with resistance. If we want to figure out just about how much that is in terms of resistance, looks like about 3.5 ohms, and capacitive reactance about -J7. So the vector would be represented by the point 3.5 minus J7, and the complex number impedance value itself would be the sum of those, or about 3.5 minus J7. But once again, in this question, the correct choice is D.